Hey my dazzlers, welcome back. So আজকে আমি এসেছি একটা দুর্গা পুজো লুক নিয়ে. So many of you guys wanted me to do a দুর্গা পুজো look. বাঙালি হয়ে দুর্গা পুজো look করব না, সেটা কি হতে পারে? This is my SAPTAMI look. I wanted it to be very fresh and very dewy and very natural with no falsies, no blush and a lot of highlighter and glowy dewy look going on. Be very careful when you go out. If you're going out, mask poro, sanitizer carry koro, friends and family সাথে আড্ডা দাও. Try and avoid pandal hopping. Pandal hopping করোনা, খুব risky. করোনাতে pandal hopping করোনা. So there goes another PJ. Let me say, করোনাতে pandal hopping একদম করোনা. Try and avoid crowds. Social distancing maintain koro, mask poro, sanitizer carry koro. I want my dazzlers to be safe. Street food jodi khao, be very careful. I would suggest the ideal way to spend this pujo is তোমার কোনো ফ্রেন্ডের বাড়ি চলে যাও কি ফ্যামিলির সাথে খুব বেশি করে আড্ডা. That's it. You guys can order food from Swiggy থেকে অর্ডার করতে পারো. Still ওটা অনেক বেশি সেফ হবে. So yeah, let's get started. I just washed my face with the Dermavive Hydra Cleanser. This has been my favorite cleanser. I use this all the time. I have got sensitive skin and this one takes care of my skin. It does not dry out my skin. This is an amazing cleanser and since the time I've started using it, I have been using it continuously. This one is free from SLS, parabens, lanolin, fragrance and soap. Next, I'm going to use this Nutriderm Vitamin E moisturizing lotion. You guys know how much I love this. I have been using it since the last, I don't even remember, 7 to 8 months or maybe even more. This one is for all skin types and I love using this. It soothes and hydrates my skin. Does not make my skin oily and it gets absorbed really quick. Also, it adds a very beautiful, subtle glow to my skin. The next thing I'm going to use is the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum. Just apply it on my skin and massage it gently. You know, this process of getting ready is so soothing. I love it. Now my skin feels like it's ready for the foundation. Before applying the foundation, I just want to do a little bit more extra and I'm going to use the NYX Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator. So for the foundation, I'm going to use the Nykaa SkinShield Anti-Pollution Foundation. I'm just going to take the tiniest amount and mix it with the foundation and apply it on my face. Applying foundation with a brush is so much more quicker than the sponge. A lot of you guys have asked me why I don't apply foundation on my forehead. I do apply foundation on my forehead. It's just that my forehead is a little bit darker than the rest of my face. And I'm totally okay with it. I love the finish of the foundation. It looks beautiful, it looks natural, and that is the exact look that I'm going for. Time for concealer. So you guys know I use the Girl Pro Conceal HD Concealer. It's definitely my favorite concealer. Pujote, be very careful if you're going out, when you're going out. Friends and family সাথে আড্ডাটা to must, আমার মনে হয়. Wear your mask, wash your hands, always carry a sanitizer. My god, I can't believe it. I mean, this concealer blends like a dream. On top of this, I always use another concealer, which is a little bit lighter than my actual skin tone, just to highlight my under eye area. And I'm going to use the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Full Wear Concealer. I'm just going to apply 2 dots and that's it. Now to set my concealer, I'm going to use the K-Beauty HD Setting Loose Powder in the shade Banana. For my eyebrows, I'm going to use the Sugar Arch Arrival Brow Definer. I want to experiment other brow products as well. So if you can suggest me anything, any other brow product that you absolutely love, just mention it in the comment section below. I'm just going to fill in my brows. I'm not changing the shape or anything. I'm done with my brows. It's as simple as that. I'm going to use this Nykaa eyeshadow palette. This is in the shade Crushed Berries. It's the Just Wink It eyeshadow palette. And the shades are so pretty. So pretty. By the way, I need to show you something. During the pujo, you're gonna be busy, okay? You won't have the time to clean the brushes. So I think this will be a good option for you to buy. This is the Pack Express Brush Cleaner. I use this all the time when I find it difficult to clean my brushes, or if I have to shoot one video after another and I don't have time to clean my brushes. So it actually cleans your brushes really nicely. So you might consider buying this. Just saying. So I'm going to take this very pretty mauvey shade and I'm going to apply it in the crease of my eyes. And it is very, very pigmented, so you've got to be careful. I'm going to apply it on my lower lash line as well. Now I'm going to use this very pretty pink rose gold shade and I'm going to apply it on top of my eyelids just for the sheen. Wow, I love it. I think I'm done with the eyes. I'm going to curl my lashes and put on mascara. Eyelash curler is very, very important to lift up your lashes. The mascara is from L'Oreal Paris. This one is the Lash Paradise Mascara. I used to use this all the time in my old videos, but I'm getting back at it now again. You can see the difference. This is amazing. I'm also going to apply it on my lower lash line. Now I'm going to apply bronzer and I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution Ultra Sculpt and Contour Kit. For bronzers, I always love using big fat brushes. I am going to use a black Kajal. This one is from Sugar. This is the Kohl of Honor Intense Kajal. And I'm going to apply it from the area where my lashes grow, like where my lashes start. And I'm just going to dot it till the end. I don't have to be very perfect about it because I'm going to blend it. I'm using a pencil brush and I'm just going to blend it just for that smoky look. For my lips, I'm going to use the K-Beauty lip liner. This is in the shade Sensational. And the lipstick I'm going to use today is from K-Beauty. This is in the shade Wee Hours. Just going to dab it on my lips. And this one is a transfer proof lipstick, like it won't budge. So even if you wear a mask, you won't get that transfer on your mask. Oh, the highlighter, right. For the highlighter, I'm again going to use K-Beauty highlighter. This one is the Illuminating highlighter in the shade Honey Glaze. And I'm really going to be generous with the highlighter because I want it to be a really glowy, highlighted look. It's a beautiful highlighter. I will also apply it in my brow bone area and also my inner corners. So before I apply it in my inner corners, I'll just clean the brush. So there is no need of false eyelashes. My eyelashes look perfect. I think I'm gonna skip the blush and I'm just gonna keep it at this. Okay, one last step. So I'm gonna spray my entire face with this NYX Dewy Finish setting spray. Guys, I'm telling you, I've tried this setting spray. I've reviewed this setting spray and it does, I mean, if you apply it on your face, your makeup doesn't budge. It's very, very important because we're wearing masks and the transfer is very likely to happen. So this is going to stop your makeup from transferring to the mask. And it's also going to make your makeup last so much longer. Wow. And I just have to let it dry. It adds a beautiful glow to the face. Okay guys, so you can see how glowy and natural and cute my makeup looks. I always love a natural makeup look. So let me wear a mask and show you how it looks for the complete look. Damn. You can always just play with your hair so you're safe and glam at the same time. And your makeup doesn't transfer. Also, it looks fresh. all day long. This is my SAPTAMI look, and I will come up with Ashtami, Navami, Dashami as well. Yes, I'm gonna see you in my next video very soon with the Ashtami look. Okay, so abar dekha hobe. Love you. Bye bye. Okay, so I'm gonna see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.